Welcome to Day 7 of my 100-day Oracle DBA challenge. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important components responsible for database recovery and durability in Oracle, the redo log files. Redo log files are at the core of how Oracle protects data. Anytime a user makes a change in the database, whether it is an insert, update, delete, or even a structural change, Oracle makes sure that change is captured so it can be recovered if something goes wrong. Whenever data is modified, Oracle does not immediately write the change directly to disk data files. Instead, the change is first recorded in memory inside the redo buffer. From there, Oracle writes those changes to the redo log files. This process guarantees durability, meaning that committed transactions are not lost even if the database crashes. Redo logs are used by Oracle to recover committed transactions in the event of instance failure, system crash, or media failure. Without redo logs, Oracle would have no reliable way to recover recent changes, which would lead to data loss. There are two main types of redo logs in Oracle. The first is online redo logs. These are the active redo log files that Oracle writes to during normal database operations. The database continuously cycles through these logs while it is running. The second type is archived redo logs. These exist only when the database is running in archive log mode. When an online redo log becomes full, Oracle makes a copy of it and stores it as an archived redo log before reusing the online log. Archived redo logs are critical for media recovery and point-in-time recovery. Redo logs are made up of several key components. One of them is the redo log buffer, which resides in the system global area. This is where redo entries are first written in memory. Another component is the online redo log files themselves. These are physical files on disk that store redo entries permanently. Redo log groups organize redo log files into logical units. Each group contains one or more redo log members. Redo log members are multiplexed copies of the same redo log group. Multiplexing ensures that if one redo log file is lost due to disk failure, another copy still exists, protecting the database from catastrophic loss. Redo logs play a critical role in maintaining database integrity. They allow Oracle to recover committed transactions after failures, ensure consistency across data files, and support point-in-time recovery when archived logs are available. They also protect against data loss during unexpected shutdowns or crashes. Understanding how redo logs work internally is essential for every DBA. When a user changes data, the change is first recorded in the redo buffer. The log writer process, also known as LGWR, writes these redo entries from memory to the online redo log files. This happens continuously and especially at commit time. When a redo log group becomes full, Oracle performs a log switch and starts writing to the next redo log group. If the database is running in archive log mode, the ARCn background processes copy the full redo log to an archive destination before the log group is reused. This cycle continues endlessly while the database is running. If redo logs are poorly configured or undersized, excessive log switching can occur, which negatively impacts performance and recovery operations. There are several best practices every DBA should follow when configuring redo logs. You should have at least 3 redo log groups to ensure smooth log switching. Each redo log group should have multiple members stored on separate disks to avoid single points of failure. Redo log file sizes should be large enough to reduce frequent log switches but not so large that recovery becomes slow. Finding the right balance depends on workload and transaction volume. For proper recoverability, archive log mode should be enabled. Without archived redo logs, recovery is limited and point-in-time recovery is impossible. As a DBA, you should regularly monitor redo log activity using system views. You can check redo log groups, members, sizes, and switching frequency to ensure your configuration is healthy and optimized. Redo logs are often described as the heartbeat of Oracle recovery. If they are configured correctly, the database can survive crashes, failures, and data loss scenarios. If they are neglected, recovery becomes difficult or even impossible. To summarize, redo logs capture every change made to the database. They protect committed transactions, ensure data durability, and make recovery possible. Proper sizing, multiplexing, and monitoring of redo logs are not optional tasks for a DBA. They are fundamental responsibilities. If you understand redo logs deeply, you gain confidence in handling failures, recovery operations, and performance tuning. That completes Day 7 of the 100-day Oracle DBA challenge. I will see you in Day 8.